I bet you didn't know this about the Ferruginous hawk. Ready for some cool bird facts? The Ferruginous hawk is North America's largest hawk, with a wingspan of up to 4.7 feet. This majestic bird prefers open spaces like grasslands and deserts. Unlike other hawks, Ferruginous hawks often build their nests on the ground or low cliffs. Their diet? Mostly small mammals like rabbits and prairie dogs. Fun fact, they can spot prey from over a mile away. And despite their size, they're incredibly agile in flight. So next time you're out in the open, keep an eye out for these incredible hunters. You'll be amazed at what you see. Remember to feed the bear and like and subscribe.